What is being repaired today is the MC unit of the Kawasaki control cabinet. The customer reported that the system frequently restarts and runs unstably. First, disassemble the unit for inspection. A damaged component was detected on the main board. Replace the damaged component and then assemble the unit for testing. The NC unit has been properly connected to the control cabinet. The teach pendant is functioning normally. The robot manipulator has also been activated successfully. To ensure operational stability, an extended test period is required here. For all robot maintenance needs, feel free to contact us. Our professional services are guaranteed to meet your expectations.